Think about the last time someone gave you a paper business card. Did you actually keep it, or did it end up lost in a drawer? Most of the time, paper cards get lost. That's why I tried Blinq, a digital business card that lives on your phone and updates in real time. Here's what it does and if it's worth using. What is Blinq? Blinq is a digital business card app trusted by over 3 million people across 500,000 companies. It's rated 4.9 out of 5 from more than 150,000 reviews and is even used by employees at 93% of the Fortune 500 companies. The app replaces paper business cards with a digital profile that includes your details and links. You share it with a QR code, NFC card, Apple or Google Wallet, or even your Apple Watch. The other person doesn't need the app. Your info just saves straight to their phone. Setup. Creating a card only takes a few minutes. You upload your details, add a logo or profile photo, and choose a design that fits your brand. If your role or contact details change, you can update them instantly in the app so your card never goes out of date. You can also create more than one card if you want different profiles for work, events, or personal projects. Sharing. Blinq gives you plenty of ways to share. You can pull up a QR code on your phone, send a link, tap an NFC card, or keep your card in your Apple or Google Wallet for one-tap access. There are even widgets for your home screen and an Apple Watch option. No matter how you share it, the recipient doesn't need to install anything. They can open your profile in a browser and save your details in seconds. Extra features. One smart feature is that Blinq reuses your card information in other places. You can turn your profile into an email signature, so your contact details show up in every email you send. You can also create a virtual background with your QR code for Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet, which makes it easy to connect during video calls. These small touches make your networking feel more consistent and professional. For teams, Blinq isn't just for individuals. It also has plans for businesses. An admin can create cards for everyone, lock in company colors and logos, and manage them all from one dashboard. This makes sure every employee looks consistent and on brands. It also integrates with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, Microsoft Dynamics, Zoho, Outlook, and Pipedrive. If your system isn't listed, you can connect through Zapier. For larger organizations, there are enterprise features like enforced single sign-on, custom analytics, and priority support. Tracking and notes. Another helpful feature is that Blinq lets you tag contacts and add notes. For example, you can mark where you met someone and jot down what you talked about. This makes it easier to follow up later, something that's almost impossible to do with a stack of paper cards. Security. Since you're dealing with business contacts, security matters. Blinq is a SOC 2 certified and GDPR compliant, which means it meets industry standards for protecting personal data. For teams, single sign-on adds another layer of security and makes managing accounts easier. Pricing. Blinq offers a free plan that never expires. It gives you 2 cards, unlimited sharing, email signatures, and virtual backgrounds. Premium is $9.99 per month and includes 5 cards, branded QR codes, custom colors, and the ability to export contacts. For teams, the business plan is $6.99 per card per month with a minimum of 5 cards. It adds CRM sync, admin controls, templates, analytics, and shared branding. Enterprise pricing is custom and includes advanced security and support. Pros and cons. Blinq's biggest strengths are its ease of use and wide range of sharing options. It works instantly, whether you're networking at an event or meeting someone on Zoom, and the other person doesn't need to download anything. It scales well for teams thanks to its admin tools and CRM integrations, while individuals get plenty of value from the free plan. They've also just added a built-in card scanner, so even if someone hands you an old school paper card, you can snap a photo and store their info right inside the app. Beyond that, there really aren't any major gaps. Blinq covers almost every modern networking need extremely well. Verdict. Overall, Blinq feels like the natural replacement for paper business cards. It's fast, simple, and trusted by millions of users. I like that it balances individual needs with powerful business tools, while still being easy enough for anyone to use. So if you're looking for a way to make your networking more efficient and professional, Blinq is one of the strongest options available today. If you want to see how it works, Blinq has a free plan that never expires. I've left a link in the description so you can try it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.